The cabin air filter in your 2020-2025 Nissan Sentra is crucial for clean air inside your car, trapping dust, pollen, and pollutants. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that improves air quality and HVAC system efficiency. We'll show you how to do it step by step. A dirty cabin air filter reduces airflow, causing musty odors, fogging windows, and decreased AC performance, which can lead to higher energy use and potential AC compressor wear. This can lead to higher energy use and potential AC compressor wear. It's recommended to replace it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or annually, depending on driving conditions. Replacing your cabin air filter helps prevent allergies and keeps your car's cabin clean and smelling fresh. In the 2020-2025 Nissan Sentra, the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. No special tools are required, just a screwdriver and the new filter. The filter housing is visible behind it, secured by clips or screws. The replacement filter typically costs between $15 and $30. Park your Sentra on a flat surface and turn off the engine and AC. Open the glove box and empty its contents. Have your new filter ready, making sure it's compatible with your Sentra model. Having gloves and a screwdriver available is also recommended. Press the sides of the glove box to release the stoppers and lower it completely. You'll see the filter housing behind it secured by clips or screws. Unclip or unscrew the housing cover and pull out the old filter. Note the orientation of the old filter for correct reinstallation. Usually there are arrows. Now for step 3, installing the new filter. Take your new cabin air filter and insert it into the housing, making sure the arrows on the side point in the correct direction, usually inward toward the airflow. This ensures proper filtration and prevents reduced performance. The arrow indicates the direction of airflow. Inserting it incorrectly can lead to poor air quality and system inefficiency. After inserting the filter, reattach the housing cover securely. Press it firmly to ensure a snug fit that prevents any air leaks from the system. Double-check that everything is aligned and secure. A proper installation maintains optimal cabin air quality and system performance. Now close the glove box securely, making sure all contents are inside and it latches properly. This completes the physical access part of the replacement. Start the engine and test the air conditioning system. Turn on the AC and verify that airflow is improved, the temperature is correct, and there are no unusual noises such as whistling that might indicate an air leak around the filter housing. If your Sentra is equipped with a maintenance reminder system, reset it according to the instructions in your owner's manual. This will clear any cabin air filter replacement alerts from the dashboard display. Remember, a properly maintained cabin air filter helps prevent allergies by trapping pollen and dust, removes unpleasant odors, and keeps your vehicle's cabin clean and smelling fresh for a more comfortable driving experience. Always use OEM or high-quality aftermarket filters to ensure a proper fit and avoid compatibility issues. Incorrect filter orientation or forcing the wrong size can cause issues like air leaks, whistling noises, and reduced AC efficiency. Regularly check your cabin air filter, especially if you drive in dusty or polluted environments where clogging happens faster. Periodic vacuuming can extend filter life by removing surface dust and debris before full replacement is needed. If AC problems like poor airflow or odors persist after replacement, it may indicate deeper HVAC system issues requiring professional attention.